First open Start and type cmd. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type delete VGC and then press Enter. Type delete VGLC and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart. Now open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Program Files. Delete your Vanguard folder. Right-click your shortcut and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Wait for Vannguard to be installed. Press Play. Press Quit. Restart to finish the installation process. Right-click your shortcut and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type msconfig. Open your system configuration. Open the Services tab. Locate the VGC service. Select your VGC service. Press Apply and then OK. Press Restart. If that didn't work, first press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Valorant and Riot Games processes. Now close your Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close your Task Manager.